And here's how to set different wallpapers for iPhone home screen and for iPhone lock screen. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and here tap on wallpaper. And now let's add a new wallpaper. Here from this wallpaper library, you can go ahead and select a wallpaper. So in my case, I'm selecting this wallpaper, and if you want to use your phone or photos, then just tap on photos and go ahead and browse a photo from your gallery. So in my case, I'm just selecting this wallpaper, for example, and here just tap on add. And here, once you are adding a new wallpaper, you find this option here, set as wallpaper pair and customize home screen. So to add separate wallpaper for your home screen and lock screen, you have to tap on customize home screen. And now we have to add a new wallpaper for our iPhone home screen. You can select a solid color from here. You can select a gradient color just like so, or tap on photo, and from your phone gallery select a different photo for your home screen and tap on done. And here, as you can see, my new wallpaper added. And now if I go to my lock screen, as you can see, my lock screen wallpaper is this one, and this is my home screen wallpaper. So that's how we can do it. Thanks for watching.